What's the meaning of backhander? Backhander. Backhander.
Backhander. Backhander. The word backhander is typically used to refer to a bribe or illicit payment given to someone in a position of power or influence. This can include situations where a businessperson pays off a government official to secure a contract, or where an individual pays a doctor to receive preferential treatment. The term can also be used more generally to describe any underhanded or sneaky behavior, especially when it involves attempting to sway someone's opinion or actions through the use of money or other gifts. Backhanders are often seen as unethical and can have a corrosive effect on trust and public confidence in institutions.